Welcome viewers. Our today's heading is pi is not equals to 22 by 7. First of all, we have to know what is pi. Pi is nothing but the ratio of circumference to its diameter of a circle. If we draw a circle with radius r, the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r and the diameter of the circle is 2r. This ratio will give the value of pi. In our mathematical calculations, we frequently use the value of pi as 22 by 7. But why? Before that, we have to know about rational and irrational numbers. So what is rational number? Rational number. What is a rational number? In mathematics, a rational number is a number which can be expressed in P by Q form. Which can be expressed in P by Q form, where P and Q both are integers and Q is not equals to 0. We can express the rational number in another way. The rational numbers are the numbers which have repeating decimal values or recurring decimal. For example, 0.333333 and so on. It is a rational number which can be expressed as 0.3 bar. And this 0.3 bar can be expressed as 3 by 9 or 1 by 3. This is a rational number. 1 by 3 is a rational number. Two point 575757 and so on. That is 2.57 bar is also a rational number. Because here 57 terms are repeating continuously. That is recurring decimal occurs here. That's why 2.57 bar is a rational number. Similarly, the whole numbers like 8, 9 or 10, these are also rational numbers. Rational numbers. Because these whole numbers can be expressed in P by Q form. 8 can be expressed 8 by 1, 9 can be expressed 9 by 1, 10 can be expressed 10 by 1. Similarly, a negative number can also be a rational number. For example, minus 3 by 8 is also a rational number. It will give the value of minus 0.375, that is terminating decimal number. Terminating decimal number. That's why it is called a rational number. So, in rational numbers, we can see that the numbers expressed in P by Q form, where P and Q both are integers, or the number which have a recurring decimal or which have a terminating decimal values. Now, we see what is an irrational number. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. What is an irrational number? An irrational number are those which have those numbers which have non-repeating decimal values or non-terminating decimals, and which cannot be expressed in P by Q form. For example, 1.23046820689 and so on. This is a non-terminating decimal or non-repeating decimal values. So this is a irrational number. If we calculate the value of 22 by 7, it gives us the value of, if we calculate 22 by 7, it will give us the value 22 by 7 equals to 3.142857, 142857 and so on. Here we can see that 142857 term is repeating continuously. So 22 by 7, it can be expressed as 1.142857 bar. That is 22 by 7 is a rational number. But the actual value of pi, if we calculate the actual value of pi, it will give us the value of 3.141596, 535897 and so on. In the actual value of pi, we can see that non-terminating decimal occurs. No term is repeating here. So the actual value of pi is a irrational number. This is the major difference and the main difference of 22 by 7 and pi. 22 by 7 is a rational number and pi is an irrational number. So we can see that the value of 22 by 7 is very much close to pi, but it is not exactly equals to pi. 22 by 7 is 3.142857 and so on, and the value of pi is 3.1415926 and so on. We take the value of pi as 22 by 7 because of our better calculations in our mathematical problems to make it simple and easier. That's why we can say that pi is exactly not equals to 22 by 7.